回家做饭是不可能了。爸爸说给他们整点那个三明治，孩子就喜欢吃他做这个三明治，杏仁酱加蜂蜜。他上次就做过。
No, I'm making Cruz. I'm gonna add almond butter and honey, but I'm gonna add bananas.
他说这次他要在里面加一些香蕉。哎呦 ，Where did he get this？ 你去哪里拿这个的？啊？汤米都洗好澡了。
Disaster.
Oh, he wants to get up there. Look at him. 哎呀，哎呦，你要摔倒的啊 ！He's gonna fall. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
And I got honey on my hands. So. Oh, don't let him touch this stuff.
你要帮忙吗
I'm gonna make a special sandwich too.
He wants to help out. Tommy, 你要帮忙啊
Because I'm making myself 2 sandwiches. I'm probably gonna make Cruz 2 sandwiches too. Hey Cruz, come here. Cruz, I got a question. Come here.
老三累了，准备
I'm
在
gonna
那。
make a super yummy
Wait, let
ham
me stay up
sandwich
there. Let me stay.
for myself, and I think I could make it for you too, and I think you might like it. What do you think? No, Cruz, you can't do that with
Don't
honey.
ruin it.
It ruins the honey. It gets bacteria from your finger. I know that it's good, but you can't do that. Tommy, you're hungry too.
Yes.
Of course he is, he says. Chuck wants bananas with his...
Tommy ate a hot dog too.
He wants bananas with his honey,
Tommy, 你说谢谢
or
爹
with
爹，
his
谢谢 Daddy。
jelly.
Tommy, 你说谢
Did
谢。
you hear me?
You lick his finger. Look,
Did
he
you
used
hear
his
me?
finger touch the
He
bread
said-
and lick his finger.
Oh, I'm sure he is.
Tommy, Tommy 是在偷舔。
Mom.
What? Are you not gonna eat sandwich?
She
Dad,
doesn't want to.
他不是 mom， 他是 dad。Tommy 叫 dad。Tommy 你说 dad， 你说谢谢 dad， 谢谢 dad。Tommy。
Chuck wants bananas on his rhubarb jelly sandwich. Kind of odd. But I guess he'll eat it.
Licking his finger.
Mom.
哎
Today.
哎，你要吃东，你肚子饿啦
Yes.
？Yes。
Yay.
你帮忙啊？Tommy，你是不是帮忙啊？
Yes.
啊，Yes。你是不是想偷吃啊？
Mom.
I
Mom.
love going
Mom.
shopping,
Dad.
grocery shopping.
Dad，
'Cause I
Dad，Tommy 说 Dad。哎呦，
I love going grocery shopping because I finally can I feel like I can finally make stuff in the
爸爸给你们准备什么好吃的？啊，他自己吃这个三明治、薯片、橄榄 cookie。
真的。
橄榄，你呢？你吃早餐麦片，你不吃 sandwich 啊？啊 ？No sandwich？ 你不要吃 sandwich 啊？橄榄 olive。哎呦，Tommy！ 哎呀，Tommy！ 爹爹给你准备什么？酸奶。哎呀！哎呦，全掉了。哎呀，Tommy！ 这么脏啊！哎啊！
Let me eat. Well, I gotta make Chuck one of these. He wants ham sandwich too, Kathy. Okay, play.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.